What's up, Social Cam? I know I'm talking in a soft, quiet, whispered Bishop's voice, but I'm tired right now. This was a great night. I had a great time. Gene is just making all this noise, and I'm trying to talk to y'all and communicate. That's why you see me looking over there. You need to tell them to be quiet. She over there eating. Let me see. Find them. Okay, she's over there eating. Look where she eating, y'all. She didn't got the St. Louis Dr. Pepper Tostito cheese. Look, with Doritos.
And hey, the show is over, boo boo.
And she always talk about St. Louis eating, and look what she doing. But in any case, y'all, we had a great night. Thank y'all so much for coming out. Man, we had a great time. I'm tired and exhausted. We had an amazing time. I know I sound like I'm rambling, but I am. But in any case, I'm trying to walk away from them because she's loud. But man, we had an amazing night. Cedric, DJ Ginyard, bass, my boy Marlon came through and sat in. I'm telling y'all, if you wasn't there, you missed out. But we're gonna do it even bigger and better. I'm gonna do something bigger and better next year. So thanks to the Jazz Bistro, everybody, Impact, Gospel PR, Fox 2 News, St. Louis American, the Postage Patch, you know, all everybody that showed love. This is my home, St. Louis, and I love y'all. Peace. I'm tired. It's about 2 in the morning. All right, holla at y'all later.